Eric, can you tell me about the buy-up program that Better Than the Bank car loans from Trent Financial offers?
Sure. So we have a buy-up program which is very unique to Trent Financial, and no other lender, regardless of their prime or their non-prime, really offers this. What we essentially have inherently is an 8-tier credit program. Each of our tiers represents a different type of risk profile. So our tier 1, which is considered our lowest risk, is very close to a near prime type of client, while our tier 8 is really considered a deep subprime. But what the buy-up allows to do is it allows the client to put a higher security towards the vehicle, and they buy into the next better tier. So what we have a lot of times is a client getting a subprime, originally a subprime rate with every other lender. They come to us and they start buying down their rate up until a point where they're essentially getting prime rates. In many cases, it's a below 10% rate on a used vehicle for someone who typically gets a very high rate when they go to any other lender. But what they also get besides the rate is all the other benefits of the tiers. So you can start increasing your term if you'd like. So if a tier 8 is limited to a 48 months on a certain year of the vehicle that you want at 60 months, all you have to do is pay more security deposit. Your interest rate will be dropped, and now you're going to be treated like a better tier that can also lengthen their term, pay with different payment frequencies. We can advance more on the vehicle. There's a lot of different options that the client has, but all they need to do is be able to provide the security that provides us the comfort that they shouldn't be treated with the same risk that their credit bureau necessarily shows.
So the buy-up program can really materially affect someone's interest rate and, by extension, the amount that they pay for the car loan.
Correct. So really what it comes down to is if the client buys up, for each dollar they put towards the vehicle, they end up saving approximately $3 to $4 in interest throughout the term of the loan. And that's extremely significant because there is a big difference between a 9.9% rate and a 29.9% rate. But it does happen quite often that we have a lot of people who originally get approved at 29.95 with every other lender. They come to us also at 29.95, but then they get the option to bring it down to 9.95, 14.95, something that's a lot more manageable for them, all because that they're willing to take some of the risk upon themselves by putting additional security, and we are the only lender who has a program like that.
So a Better Than the Bank car loan from Trent Financial is unique in offering this buy-up program that no one else offers in the industry.
That's correct.